Hello, once again, it's Thorncrest Ford's pre-owned department, and today we want to do a quick walk-around video on this 2022 Hyundai Venue, a really small SUV that's big on the inside. Let's give it a quick walk around and see what we got. This is a recent arrival on the lot. It's only been here for a few days. Hasn't quite made it into the detailing department yet, but as is, it presents very well. It's riding on 15-inch alloy rims. You can see it has a roof rack, and even though it's got a really small footprint, you'll be surprised by the amount of size on the inside. Because this is a fairly basic car, it does not have a power liftgate, but realistically it doesn't need one. Here you can see that the back, even with the seats up, a fair bit of space. It's got a 60-40 split. And not pushing these all the way down because the seat backs haven't been pushed forward. You can see that there is a lot of space to be had. And again, very easy to do, and again, liftgate very light. One-hand operation. Rear wiper also for safety. Like I said, check out the amount of space here. Now, you can see that the seat has been pushed back fairly far because I'm driving it, and yet, even though I'm 6'4", yeah, you can see that my knees are poking out to both sides, but because of its scalloped roof, there's a lot of headspace, and I can sit here upright quite comfortably. So you can put two 6'4" size people in the back seat, and they're not going to get in each other's hair. Or three regular people fit in here. They'll be a little bit more chummy, though. Roof rack. Driver's area. It's a basic car, but it still, of course, has power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. You can see collision avoidance is there. It's got a bit of a dual race stripe here on the seats that are cloth, manually adjustable. Makes sense. Gas cap release. Again, for safety, traction control can be turned off. Lane departure warning. Usually we go to the center stack first, but since we're here, let's look at our gauge cluster. And this unit for 2022 has 61,644 kilometers on it. Simple, to the point, hands-free phone operation. Set your cruise. Stubby gear shifter. Drive modes, heated seats and heated steering wheel for the front. No wireless charging, but it has space for your smartphone and a couple of power ports. Very simple. Rotary knobs and a couple of buttons for your heating and air conditioning. Start, stop button. And again, like all Hyundais, it is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ready and set to go. Don't need navigation. Backup camera. Very nice. Now let's just check the engine. Again, like I said, a lot of headroom in this car. Comfortable driving position, even for me being 6'4". It has a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder inline that makes, I think, 121 horsepower and 113 pound-foot of torque, and it's mated to a continuously variable automatic transmission. Very fuel efficient. It's got enough power to get you going where you need to go. So if you're looking for, or if you don't have a lot of space, but you need a small car that's huge on space on the inside, this 2020 Hyundai Venue is probably something you should be looking at. And it's available today from Thorncrest Ford. Thanks for watching this.